Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. In this video, I'm bringing you behind the scenes on a fun fashion photo shoot with a professional model outside of the Museum of Pop Culture here in Seattle, Washington. For the full gallery of images, as well as all of the gear used, check out the description box below. Okay, we're getting started, and I'm going to be using the 85 for the majority of the shoot because it's my favorite lens for portraits, but also because I have a lot of room to scoot back and forth. So we're gonna start out with some far away photos. Stunning, gorgeous. I'm gonna have you scoot just a tiny hair this way. Actually, if you look behind you, there's like this loop. I'm gonna have you centered within that the half circle basically. Yes, right there, perfect, perfection. Oh my gosh, gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, Carrie. Love, stunning. I'm gonna have you scoot this way just a hair. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So cute, so cute. Okay, oh my gosh, beautiful. Okay, stunning. I think I'll have you move back. The sun has kind of shifted a bit. Maybe what if you even come over here and then we could kind of lean maybe against it? Let's see how the light is. Oh yeah, gorgeous. You know, I might have you actually flip this way. There we go. Oh my gosh. So beautiful, Carrie. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, stunning, stunning, stunning. Okay, I'm gonna step back a little bit. Yes, leg, oh my gosh, love that. Closer up. Looks like there's a tiny bit of sun like right here, so I think I might have you step forward a little bit. Let's see. Oh, maybe back a bit. Let's see. And then turn in back to the wall real quick just so I can see. Okay, yeah, it's just a tiny bit. Actually, it kind of works totally fine. Okay, beautiful. Stunning. Oh my gosh. Oh my word, love. I love to utilize my viewfinder and my screen. So a lot of the times on live mode, that's where I can see exactly what's happening, and it just helps give me a little bit more control over the image, especially when maybe the focusing is a bit tedious like it is on an 85 1.2, especially when I'm shooting wide open. And sometimes it's just because I cannot see very well through the viewfinder itself, so I'll like to switch to live view. So utilize both because it's there for a reason, and it's a really great tool to just help you shoot more efficiently if you're finding that you're struggling nailing the focus, maybe looking right through, or you're having a bit of trouble. Now, of course, there's different focus modes you can put your camera in on, but sometimes it's just a lot easier to look through than it is to go like this and be hunched over, especially depending on the lighting situation. Maybe if there's lens flare coming in and it's a bit hard. I just love using the live mode. Gorgeous, gorgeous, love, little over the shoulder moment. Oh my gosh, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have you scoot this way just a hair. There's just a tiny bit of sunlight on your nose. Maybe actually back, let's see. And then maybe, oh, yep, perfect, there we go. Gorgeous. The only thing is with the looking through live mode, you have to constantly be refocusing because it will show that your subject is in focus, like it will show as green, but you just have to hold your shutter down. I would say every click, otherwise it's not gonna nail the focus. Beautiful, Carrie. So gorgeous, Carrie. Oh Beautiful. Do a little bit further. What if we did one where I have you, like, maybe we could use this somehow to lean on or something? Gorgeous. Love. Oh my gosh, love. Let me just get a little bit further away. There's one piece of hair. I'm just gonna have you go like this real quick. On the other side, sorry. Yep, there you go, beautiful. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Cute. So freaking cute. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, that light. Stunning. Oh, yes. Beautiful. I'm gonna do a close. Oh, love that. Love, 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 love. I'm gonna do a close-up. Oh my gosh, this light. Your hair, makeup, everything. Stunning. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. So magical with these poses. It looks so ethereal. Love. Oh my word. Okay, I'm gonna scoot back a little bit more. Oh my word. Okay, stretch. Yes. Oh my gosh. I can't. Okay, you have to look at how gorgeous you are.
Oh my god. That lighting is crazy.
Isn't it really cool?
Yes,
It's like
how it's filtered.
it literally looks like ice or something. Like the way that
Like I'm
it's
Elsa.
dappled. Yes, yes. You're so like how? Tell us your secret. You are amazing, Carrie. Like every time I shoot with you, I'm just like flabbergasted. You're so gorgeous.
Thank you.
Oh, so stunning. Every angle, you're so incredible. Like I just can't. Oh my gosh,
God,
your
I love
eyes.
those.
You're so beautiful.
Yes, this is like the Elsa shoot I didn't know I needed.
It really is. That's like the best way to describe it. So we are on our second look and we are in front of this gorgeous purple dynamic backdrop, and then Carrie is wearing the coolest champagne iridescent, and we are actually going to have to work with wider lenses because we are pretty limited with where we can stand because we're raised up to be able to be in the shade. So I have about like 3 feet where I can really move around, and I want Carrie to be facing this way because this is where the light's coming from. And so I moved to my 50 millimeter. I was shooting with my 85 in our first location, and then I'm going to be doing some close-ups with the 50, and then I'll probably switch to my 35 to get a wider shot. And then we might do some in the direct sunlight. We're gonna play around and it's gonna be so gorgeous. Beautiful. Scoot even further. know what? I think I'm gonna switch to my 35. I'm gonna do super close up, and then I'm gonna, then I will switch, yeah. Can I adjust your hair a little bit? It's gonna go like this. Go. Oh my gosh, your makeup is so, you're so talented. Like, oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Love. Oh my goodness. Stunning. Oh my word. And then look maybe directly at the camera. Yeah, gorgeous. Adjust this one little hair. There we go. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful, Carrie. Look at how gorgeous this light is with you.
I love it. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
It's so nice and bright with
Okay, so the 50 was even a little bit too tight with the ledge, so I switched to my 35, and we're gonna make this work. This is a 35 millimeter is a fan favorite in my Build and Bloom Facebook group for portraits, and I loved it quite a while ago, but I just fallen in love with my 85. So yeah, we're gonna use this for all of our photos because we just don't have the range. Okay. I might have you scoot down even more. Okay, it's a little bit more narrow. There we go, yeah. Gorgeous. Let's see what I can do. Okay. Maybe if I shoot from, this is where I should get a reflector for this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, beautiful. Scoot down just a hair for me. Yeah. Okay, yeah, beautiful. Cute. Gorgeous. So we just have to, I have to be mindful of the reflection because there's a staircase behind, but I don't mind it in the photo, but I do have to kind of be careful about where I'm placing Carrie in the frame in conjunction to that. Gorge. Oh, that's so beautiful. So even though the light is technically better on this side, it's really soft and gorgeous, and I'm able to have way more range because I'm not blocked, or I'm not limited with this was in the background facing the other way. Gorgeous. Beautiful. I'm gonna have you scoot down just a hair just because there's a line. Yeah, perfect. Gorge. And then Laura, I'm gonna have you move back either this way or, yeah, there you go, perfect. Thank you. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, cute. Wait for this guy in the background. Gorgeous. What if we do one where I think you could sit if you feel comfortable sitting in it, or kneeling, whatever is most comfortable, and then that could be kind of cute because, oh, we could like bring the ruffles right around your face. Could be really cute. Cute. Oh, that's really cute, Carrie. Oh my word, love. I'm gonna do like a really close up. I have to be mindful because I am shooting on a really wide angle, not really wide angle, but a wide angle lens. So sometimes it warps the face, but it can create a really cool effect if you are mindful of it. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. She's like, BRB, let me take a nap. You're so beautiful. I think we might be good. What do you think?
These are really
Oh
amazing.
my
I
gosh.
love
If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. So whether you want an extra set of eyes on the Squarespace website you're about to launch, or you need help drafting a response to a difficult client situation, Build and Bloom is free to join. Just search in Facebook groups. I've also launched season 2 of the Build and Bloom Photography podcast, available for you to listen and learn on your favorite podcast platform. I like Apple and Spotify. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your photography business come out, and I will see you in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.